Have you ever felt like you're shouting your dreams into a void, only to hear silence in return? What if I told you there's a way to not just speak, but to make the universe lean in and listen? In a world where noise often drowns out our innermost desires, understanding the law of attraction becomes our compass, guiding us towards our true north. It's not just about wishful thinking or daydreaming. It's about tapping into a universal force that resonates with our core intentions. When harnessed correctly, this law can transform fleeting thoughts into tangible experiences. But how do we ensure that our desires don't just get lost in the vast expanse of the universe? The key lies in clarity, emotional alignment, and inspired action. As we journey through this guide, you'll discover the art of fine-tuning your desires, ensuring that every heartbeat, every aspiration, sends ripples through the cosmos, beckoning your dreams into existence. Similarly, it takes more than just knowing the law of attraction to go on this journey. It requires a holistic strategy that connects our inner world with the outside world. The symphony of our desires, when played with precision and passion, can create harmonies that resonate across the cosmos. But how do we strike the right chord? The answer lies in the meticulous calibration of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's about refining our intentions, ensuring they're not just fleeting whims, but deeply rooted aspirations. As we progress, we'll delve into techniques that not only amplify our desires, but also align them with the universe's rhythm. This alignment, when achieved, acts as a beacon, guiding our dreams from the realm of imagination to the tangible world. So, as we set sail on this enlightening journey, remember, it's not about shouting louder, but about fine-tuning our inner frequency to match the universe's grand orchestra. Here, let's listen to some positive affirmations tailored to our exploration today and understand their profound significance. By vocalizing these affirmations, we send a clear and powerful message to the universe, reinforcing our desires and intentions. My desires are powerful, and the universe acknowledges them with intent. Every intention I set reverberates through the cosmos, drawing my dreams closer. The universe and I are in a harmonious dance, co-creating my desired reality. With unwavering focus, I channel my desires, and the universe responds in kind. My aspirations are valid, and the universe aligns to make them manifest. I am a beacon of intention, and the universe is my guiding light towards manifestation. Every affirmation I voice strengthens the bond between my desires and the universe's response. The universe is attuned to my desires, and together we weave the fabric of my reality. My desires are clear, potent, and resonate with the universe's frequency. With every breath, I amplify my desires, and the universe echoes back with affirmation. The universe is an attentive listener, always eager to manifest my deepest aspirations. My desires are not mere wishes. They are powerful commands that the universe heeds. The universe and I are in perfect synchrony, co-creating a reality filled with my desires. Every thought I project is a seed, and the universe nurtures it to fruition. I am in harmony with the universe, and my desires are its top priority. The universe recognizes the power of my intentions and aligns its energies to fulfill them. My desires are magnetic, drawing the universe's attention and resources. The universe is my co-pilot, steering my life towards my most profound aspirations. I trust the universe to recognize and respond to my desires with precision. My desires are like a beacon, guiding the universe to manifest them in my life. The universe is always tuned in to my frequency, eager to bring my desires to life. I am a powerful creator, and the universe is my canvas, painting my desires into reality. The universe values my desires and works tirelessly to make them tangible. My intentions are clear, and the universe responds with clarity and purpose. The universe and I share a bond, always working in tandem to manifest my dreams. I am deserving of my desires, and the universe acknowledges this truth. The universe is an amplifier, magnifying my desires and making them a reality. I communicate my desires with conviction, and the universe listens intently. The universe is always in alignment with my aspirations, ensuring they come to fruition. My desires are potent, and the universe is eager to make them manifest. The universe is my ally, always attuned to my desires and working to bring them to life. I am in sync with the universe, and together we manifest my deepest desires. The universe cherishes my desires and ends yours. They are heard and acted upon. My desires are a symphony, and the universe orchestrates their beautiful manifestation. The universe is attentive to my desires, ensuring they are woven into my life's tapestry. I am a magnet for my desires, and the universe is drawn to make them a reality. The universe is in harmony with my intentions, always working to manifest them. My desires are a call to the universe, and it responds with love and action. The universe recognizes the depth of my desires and ensures they come to life. I am in a harmonious relationship with the universe, co-creating my desired reality. The universe is my partner, always eager to manifest my deepest aspirations. My desires are a powerful force, and the universe aligns to make them tangible. The universe listens to my desires with intent, ensuring they are manifested in my life. I am in alignment with the universe, and together we bring my desires to fruition. The universe values my intentions and works diligently to make them a reality. My desires resonate with the universe, ensuring they are heard and acted upon. The universe is always in tune with my aspirations, working to bring them to life. I trust the universe to recognize and manifest my desires with precision and care. The universe is my co-creator, always eager to bring my desires into reality. My desires are a powerful signal, and the universe responds with action and intent. The universe is always receptive to my desires, ensuring they are manifested. I am in perfect harmony with the universe, co-creating a reality filled with my desires. The universe acknowledges the power of my intentions and works to fulfill them. My desires are a call to action, and the universe responds with love and purpose. The universe is attuned to my frequency, always eager to manifest my desires. I communicate my desires with clarity, and the universe listens with intent. The universe is my partner in creation, always working to bring my desires to life. My desires are a beacon of light, guiding the universe to manifest them in my life. The universe cherishes my intentions and ensures they are woven into my reality. I am a magnet for my desires, and the universe is drawn to make them tangible. The universe is in perfect alignment with my aspirations, ensuring they come to fruition. My desires resonate with the universe, creating a harmonious dance of manifestation. The universe values my desires and works tirelessly to make them a reality. I trust the universe to recognize and act upon my desires with love and precision. The universe is my ally, always attuned to my desires and eager to manifest them. I am in sync with the universe, and together we create a reality filled with my desires. The universe listens to my desires with love, ensuring they are heard and acted upon. My desires are a powerful force, and the universe aligns its energies to manifest them. The universe is always in tune with my intentions, working diligently to bring them to life. I communicate my desires with passion, and the universe responds with action. The universe is my co-pilot, steering my life towards my most profound aspirations. My desires are a symphony, and the universe orchestrates their beautiful realization. The universe cherishes my desires, ensuring they are woven into the fabric of my life. I am a beacon for my desires, and the universe is drawn to manifest them. The universe is in harmony with my intentions, always eager to make them tangible. My desires are a call to the universe, and it responds with love and purpose. The universe recognizes the depth of my desires and ensures they resonate in reality. I am in a harmonious dance with the universe, co-creating my desired experiences. The universe is my partner in manifestation, always eager to bring my desires to life. My desires are a powerful signal, and the universe aligns its energies to respond. The universe is always receptive to my desires, ensuring they are manifested with love. I am in perfect sync with the universe, and together we manifest my deepest aspirations. The universe acknowledges the power of my desires and works diligently to fulfill them. My desires are a call to action, and the universe responds with intent and precision. The universe is attuned to my frequency, always working to manifest my desires. I communicate my desires with conviction, and the universe listens with love. The universe is my co-creator, always eager to bring my desires into tangible reality. My desires are a beacon of intention, guiding the universe to manifest them with precision. The universe cherishes my intentions, ensuring they resonate in my life's experiences. I am a magnet for my desires, and the universe is drawn to make them a reality. The universe is in perfect alignment with my aspirations, working to bring them to life. My desires resonate with the universe, creating a harmonious symphony of manifestation. The universe values my desires, ensuring they are heard and acted upon with love. I trust the universe to recognize and manifest my desires with care and precision. The universe is my ally, always attuned to my desires and eager to bring them to life. I am in sync with the universe, and together we create a tapestry of my desired experiences. The universe listens to my desires with intent, ensuring they resonate in my reality. My desires are a powerful force, and the universe aligns its energies to make them tangible. The universe is always in tune with my intentions, working with love to manifest them. I communicate my desires with passion, and the universe responds with purpose and action. With every affirmation we voice, we strengthen this bond, sending clear and powerful messages that resonate with both our conscious and subconscious minds. As we continue on this path, we find that our desires are not just heard, they are acted upon with love and precision. The universe, our co-pilot in this journey, steers our life towards our most profound aspirations, ensuring that every desire, every dream, is manifested with care. This harmonious relationship we share with the universe is a beacon of hope and a reminder that our desires are not just fleeting thoughts, but powerful forces that shape our reality. Henceforth, our journey with the universe is one of mutual respect, understanding, and co-creation. As we voice our desires with conviction and clarity, the universe listens intently, ensuring that every aspiration, every dream, resonates in our reality. This is the power of intention, the magic of manifestation, and the beauty of the bond we share with the universe. As we've reached the end of this video, I encourage you to implement these affirmations into your daily routine. Speak them aloud, write them down, or meditate upon them. The more you engage with these affirmations, the more you'll find your desires and the universe becoming harmoniously intertwined. Remember, the power of affirmation lies not just in repetition, but in deep belief. So, as you voice these truths, do so with conviction and watch as the universe responds in kind.